I was not going to make this video, but after seeing so many of you try the gelatin trick and not get the results you want, I just had to share some insights. It's heartbreaking to see people give up on something that can be truly beneficial for their wellness, all because of a few simple mistakes. My friend, let me tell you, the gelatin trick is not a one-size-fits-all solution, and if you're not doing it just right, you might be undermining its effectiveness. For instance, using the wrong type of gelatin or not mixing it properly can really stop the gelatin trick from working its wonders. Researchers say that a daily gelatin trick ritual can be a game changer for digestion and overall health, but only if you're consistent and get the details right. So, if you're struggling to make the gelatin trick work for you, don't worry, you're not alone. The good news is that once you identify and fix those mistakes, you can start to wake up without the bloat and feel more energized throughout the day, which is exactly what the gelatin trick is all about. Check out the link in my description for a deeper dive into common gelatin trick mistakes and how to avoid them, and also take a look at the pinned comment below where I've shared some additional tips to help you get the most out of your gelatin trick routine.